Forgot to dry my socks out before going to bed, but with this nice little step right here, I can just stick my feet out. They're all nice and toasty. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I had to stoke the fire a couple times, but stayed warm, but my back is sore. Oh, my back. Feel like I was run over by a truck, but I'm warm. Oh. Well, it's about 7:30. I think it's time to go test out that griddle and make some breakfast. Okay, corned beef hash. Oh, it's so frozen. Yeah, it's pretty non-stick. Slid right off. Corned beef and hash egg sandwich.
Oh, that is so good. I'll tell you what, that little skillet worked really well. Pretty easy to make too. Oh, that was delicious. I wouldn't mind another one of those.